Hi guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. Today we are in Walgreens. We're going into Walgreens, and I have 3 easy beginner deals that I want to do. We should not spend, I'm thinking, over $5 out of pocket, and that's before taxes. We're going to be using digitals, boosters, and paper coupons. This is easy. Follow the scenarios. You must do them separate because we're going to be using the boosters, okay? So here we go. We're getting ready to go into Walgreens. If you want to learn how to do easy deals and use digitals, boosters, and paper coupons, today is your day to learn. We have a budget of $5. Okay, so we're going into Walgreens. After I grab all the scenarios that we need, I'll probably do a quick walkthrough of the orange tags if it's any. And remember, I will be talking close to my phone because they have been playing music to drown out us videotape. Okay, grab a booklet, weekly ad. Okay, so their lotions is still buy 2, get the third one free, mix and match. So find your highest value coupons and use those, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do the Tide deal. Buy 3 at $4.99, get 1 free. So we're gonna do this Tide right here, which is the 16 count. Okay, we're gonna do 1 Tide liquid, and that's at, God, that's little, 25 count. We about to check our coupon for this one. And I'm gonna end up grabbing 2 of these actually. And then if I can, 1 Downy. And we're gonna get 1 Downy at $4.99. That's our first scenario. Okay, so you should have 2 Tides, whichever type of Tide you want. If you want 2 pods, get 2 pods, it doesn't matter. Okay, and that's our first booster scenario that we're going to be using. So we're going to do the Crest deal, $2.99, and you get a $3 back register reward. So let's grab 3 of those. So we got 3 of those, $3 register. We're going to use the 5 off of 3, any select varieties, because this is the one that's in the $2.99. The one they showed that we could use for $2.99. Plus, we're going to use the $5 off 12 booster. Look at that, guys. Certainly $1.09. That's a good deal. A lot of their feminine products have been on sale, and here those are 42 cents. So, I mean, I don't want to grab them because I grabbed them in the other store. So, I'm good. I could leave that for someone else to get them, okay? Okay, see this? Bounce for 4,000 points when you buy 2. And it's a $5 off coupon for these. And then you got a $3 one. So they $10 a piece. That's 8. That's a pretty good deal also. So let me get my coupons on and show you the boosters that we'll be using and the coupons, okay? So they do have orange tag. The Wellman's Gripe Water is $5.99. What's that, baby Orlogic stuff? You know, it's called $4.99. They have a portable spa for $13. They got all of these. Look at their event, $13. Those are good deals, actually. Look at that big giant ZZ quill for $10. That's good. Salmon Next is $5.99, and this was Advil PM. That was $3.49. Could have used that and got the free Advil. So as you can see, they do not have it. Look at that, $2.49. We could have got overage for that, and I don't even see any in the back. Nope. But those are $2.49. Okay, so let's look for the 40 count Advil. So this is the Advil 40 count that we're going to be getting. In the newspaper, they are $6.49. The tag is gone. So we're going to grab 2 of these, okay? They have sinus wash for $9. The wall fed $4.89. Sinus pain. Oh, Vicks Vapor Rub $3.99. Sore throat lounge is $3.19. Okay, pain block is $5.99. Blue Emo is $10.99. They got a lot of pain stuff on sale, guys. A lot of it, which is really good. The arthritis, look at all the orange tags. I'm just going to let you all have an overview because there's another Aleve. That's the same price, but you want the Aleve PM. That's that. So the B eye mask is $2.89. Instant reusable gel pack is $7.99. The AZO is $7.49. See those? Aspirin is $2.99. That'll be good for a little old person to take aspirin. Let's go to some of these. These are $14. They got all the cold medicine on sale, all of it. That's a good deal. $3.99 for those pills. That's a good deal, actually. Okay, see that? I'm at a different Walgreens than the one I usually go to, so we'll see. Now, see, these little Advils are $1.19. If I had my coupon, I would use that and get that for 19 cents, which is that's a good deal. So if you all get your coupons together, that's a good one too. $3.49 for those Advils. Okay. And Blistex is $3.19. I don't think that's a good deal, but hey, if you more orange tags, and this is in a food aisle, so it was on bars. Remember there was $1.69 in one store? Look at that, they 49 cents now. Clef, that's the Quest bars, Smart bar, they 49 cents. Chocolate cookie, Perfect Nutrition. I never used those. They made me have palpitations, so I quit using them. That's a good deal though, 49 cents for those. Huh. Okay, so here's the Maxwell House coffee, $4.79, $4.69. That Starbucks, we got a coupon for that, $4.79. That's a good deal. And I just got some coupons. I picked them up somewhere, but that's what happens when you don't bring all your coupons in the store, because I didn't. This $3.99, and the 20 tea is $1.99, but that Tazzle $3.99, the Purely $3.89. They covered it up. The Dunkin' Donuts $6.79. Givaldi, that's some good tea, but it's $4.99, so you might get it for that price. These are $3.49. Now y'all know not to get these. If you go back and look at my Dollar Tree video, you're gonna see where you can get these for 50 cents. Do not buy those, okay? And these Special K's is $3.59. If you want Special K's, go back and get them. But if not, don't. This is called Blinky, and I will get one of those. Okay, and the cookies, $2.79, but I showed you that in the other store, so they are matching those from the other store, just not all of them. Let me see. Let's go down here. It doesn't look like there's too many orange tags. Thank you. Okay, guys, great deal, $109. You have coupons for this. I know this off the record. I'm grabbing these boosts for somebody, so I'm gonna get those right now, and that'll come out of my stockpile money, okay? Because it was a grab that I didn't expect, so I'm gonna get these, okay? But I'm gonna pay for these separate. Okay, and this Boost Max Protein Chocolate was 89. It's 89 cents, but they don't have any more chocolate. See that? That's creamy strawberry, so that ain't the one. You only could get the chocolate one. Boost Max. Let me see, is that it? Boost Max Protein, Balanced Nutrition. It don't say, but I'm gonna get the ones for that. I don't think that one is there, so I'm not gonna try it. So if you can get to some Secret aluminum free, they was $5.79. We got a good coupon for that one, so that would be a very good deal if you can get to it, okay? Well, I went through the whole store. I don't see any more orange tags, so now we're going to pay for it. But first, let me show you the coupons that I'll be using, okay? Okay, so for our first deal, which is the Tide, we're going to be using 2 of these. So we're going to grab 2 caramels. This coupon for the Downy, this one for the liquid, and that one for the pie. And then we're going to use the $5 off 15 booster, okay? Then for the Crest, you should have a $3 off, a $5 off 3 Crest any variety. That's the coupon I will be using. I will not be using any type of booster or anything on that. And then the Advil, we will buy 2 Advils, and we will use these 2 coupons right here. Okay, and we'll be using a $12 off booster on my other card. And then, you know, these are $1.99. Now I will do all these orders separate. Okay, guys, so we did really well this morning, but let me put a disclaimer on that. That was Advil, and the coupon was for a leave, so I scrapped that deal. I did not do it, okay? My mistake, as you can see, seasoned couponers do make mistakes. This boost, first thing I want to bring you was an orange tag. It was $1.99, but look, guys, this is what it was. It was buy one, get one half price. So the ad came up to $3.26. I used $3 in register reward, and I paid 33 cents out of pocket for 4 boosts. Plus, I got back this booster 5 off 20 in the store. Okay, now let's get to our next. Okay, our next deal is the Crest toothpaste. The deal this week was buy 3, get a $3 register reward. I also had a coupon on there for $5 off of 3. So I used that coupon, and it ended up being, subtotal was $3. Then I had another $2 off. I don't know where that came from. $3. I paid subtotal. I paid 90 cents out of pocket, and plus I got a $3 register reward. So those coupons, oh, the booster, I used the booster on that also. So it took $10 off. I used the $5 off 12 booster. Okay, and it took $10 off. So fantastic deal. 90 cents out of pocket, get a $3 register reward. We on the road this morning. Our last and final scenario was the Tide buy 3, get 1 free. So the way we're gonna look at it is, let me get to it and show you all what I am talking about. So you will have the Tide Pods 444, and you see where it took off the other Tide at? Okay, we used the booster on that, the $5 off 15 purchase, then the 2 off Tide, 2 off the other Tide, $1 off the Downy, $1.29 Mentos, and $1.29 Mentos. Now that was the reason why I added on the 3 caramels, because I want to use the $1.29 Mentos to help bring it down. My total was $3.38 out of pocket. Listen, guys, do not use points, because if you use points, that's considered Walgreens couponing, and they won't give you the booster for it. So do not use points on that deal. So $3.38 out of pocket, 33 cents for this one, and 30 some, or is that 90 cents? And 90 cents for this one. Okay, well, we went over by about 20 cents, but we did good. If you all like these scenarios, I am going to try and do them like this from now on, because I got a lot of people asking me questions. This is very newbie friendly. Use those boosters, guys, before Sunday. They go away Saturday night, midnight. They go away. Okay, thanks, guys. Hit like, subscribe, and share my channel. And that's us at the Walgreens. Bye.